Hey Dave, I think you will get some time to watch this review maybe. So, what I am thinking is we might have some problem in our current situations, or it might be in pretty stable situation, but you need to do a planning so everything comes inside a mapping. Okay, so what I think is we have some pros and cons in our new model. So I have just put things in here. The pros on the planning. Okay. It's a good things that we have a specific plan that you made. Yeah, it's good. I agree with that. We'll have everything in on place. People will know what to do. Like I will know that I have this project and this project I have to work on in here. But currently we have to ask you what will be the task. We have to uh, make things complex for you, that this need to be done or that need to be done. So yeah, it's a good thing that we know what we need to do. We all will know that what task we have in hand. And the other thing about the other project uploading in the ClickUp, so about the truth of a skill you said in your point. Yeah, I think the transparency in business in the project is a good thing. It was a good thing. So I don't think you are not much interested in pros. You already know. It has a lot more things. I have not added it, and you know what are the pros. And I think you need to be concerned about the cons and the questions maybe. So the cons in the planning is the way you are thinking is new for us. Take the project from the CEO, make tasks from it, and the way you are doing it currently. Are we be able to doing that? Uh, it's pretty new. We'll need time to get used to it, right? Yeah, I know you will give us time, but uh, it's not just about the time. We can do mistakes. Are we able to do the correct way? So for that, I have included the solutions in need to do sections. I'll tell you. So next thing is task quality checkup with owner or leader. The things you are loading in ClickUp, right? I talked about with you with this, and you also know that we needed a quality manager for the task checkup. Dan was about to do that, but he didn't. So we all have to go to you. SEO team will have to go to you. What task we need to do? Developer team will need to go to you. That is this task is correct. So your task is increased. Uh, this is a kind of thing that everything's every person thinks differently. What I am thinking, you don't think that. Your thinking is different from mine. Then someone else is thinking different from yours. So what task I am doing in ClickUp, or what task I am doing without the checkup, without the quality checkup, uh, if I think that task is 100% or this looks correct, you will think differently. When you are just doing the honor level task, you are doing the proposals, you're making the projects coming in the company. Are we going to deliver that quality what you want? Are we be able to do that in the leadership level? Yes, Ryan can do that. I know he's better with the things, with the design, with the look, but I don't know how much I am with that details. Uh, I don't know how much I can deliver in that quality sections. Okay, next cons thing is uh, this org map does increase more of your org in honor level. Like currently what you do, you just say us what to do, maybe send forward the email that this need to be done. Then we can maybe create task in SEO sometime, maybe not, But yeah, this is a good thing that we will have to create task in ClickUp. That will be good, so we can track time and understand. But will you be able to manage things? Isn't it will increase your task? So will your virtual assistant, will he be able to manage these things? Will he be able to upload your work in ClickUp? You need to just make sure about that. If he does, then this is okay. Virtual assistant will be helpful. But if he does not, you will have to do this all of the things together, like doing the proposals, making the tasks, and making the wireframe. You just need to make sure that you are not doing that. You will have to make us understand that what is our part, what we will have to do. It's still not clear from your planning. Okay, so some questions I have currently. The things here I was talking about, you have increased your work, I think. So will you be able to do these things consistently, like uploading tasks in SEO consistently? Will you get the time? Will your virtual assistant will do that? This question raised. Next thing is, we're not doing things very differently, just doing work as it is. With your new planning, nothing is much changing, right? We're just doing as it is. We're just noting things. um, how much it is helpful. If you think it is helpful, then helpful, yes, but we need to make sure we're not wasting time in there. That uh, I'll explain it in next point. uh, then the thing is, I don't understand this. What is the problem in the current flow? Maybe you can see that from your point of view, as you are handling lots of things. But my point of view, from my developer team, I don't see a issue. I think I am doing things in the time. Oh, maybe you can see the fact that it can improve. That's why you are doing this. But yeah, it's not a problem for us. Just a question, that is the current workflow or working has any issues. So if you if you can find out the issues, then we can recover that point, right? When you know the problem, you will have, you know, the correct solutions. So you will need to point out what is our problems, right? What is our current problems. We are not perfectly known about that currently, I think that. Then the last thing is, can we reach the result? This is a good thing, that we don't know what you want currently, right? We don't know where you want us to see in next 1 week or next 1 year, right? What we need to deliver, um, we don't know. So we will have to know about what you want, so we can reach that goal. We are not currently clear about the goal. We're just doing tasks in daily basis, right? We have no planning. We are not doing anything. We so understanding about your goal is a really important thing, I think. So I have just put out some things in my need to do sections. I think we'll need to do about in our new chapter, what we are doing. So your virtual assistant need to make sure that everything is in place, right? I have told you, yeah, there's nothing new in it. But if you are planning to give it to Leo or Mars, as you are saying, I don't know how they will be able to coordinate with their own task and these new tasks. Maybe they can do it, but they will have to take it seriously, right? Not just telling us that this project is upcoming, this project need to do one more. Not just doing that, we'll have to make it more specific. That like Leo doesn't know what does Daniel is doing. In that case, a virtual assistant will know that this task is Daniel doing. Daniel need to do a test. So when a person doing that virtual assistant job, who is making sure that everything is up to date in ClickUp, then that person know, right? And next thing is we don't need to waste time on making everything SEO based. This is important thing. Currently, this is a wrong thing we are doing. Not every time, but sometime. Like we have given a project. Ryan gave us a project, right? And we have done that. We have sent a comment on the channel, or on the click, not in the channel, not in the ClickUp. So we have to make sure we are not waiting for reply on that comment, because we don't go every time in ClickUp like Slack. So we need to make sure that we are discussing things in channel, uh, not waiting on that comment or reply, right? So last thing is upcoming meeting. Yeah, this is the last thing about your new planning. We need to understand your goal. We need to understand our point of view, what we need to change. You will need to identify our issues, that these are the issues. You can be open, very open about it, what we need to change. Then we can work on your new planning, and we can do this SEO part, which is most important. I think you are going to go, that we are going to change lots of thing in ClickUp. So not changing, just changing the way of work, right? So you will have to make us understand that everyone's part, what is the part of everyone's work. So like what Leo will do, what Mark will do. So also about the understanding things, who can ask what, like Marge is asking something to you, which he can ask me. So there you can reduce some time focusing on other things. So as you have done the leadership things, as Ryan and me, so the people in the lower level, or the people working with us, they ask us, they don't disturb you. I think you understand what you are doing. Okay, that's it, I think, from me. And everything else in your planning, I like that. Yeah, I think it will be good things for us. Thank you.